He holds the feminine aspect within his singular form, Ardhanareeswara, possesses matted locks, and rides upon the sacred bull. He is the thief who, manifesting with grace, stole my heart. He resides in the majestic Bramapuram, Sirkazhi, the city renowned for floating triumphantly when the dark, devouring oceans swallowed the earth during the great deluge. In a vision of transcendent duality, behold the Lord who is inextricably half woman, defying the boundaries of gender. With wild, matted tresses and the sacred bull as his mount, he descended not just to appear, but to conquer. Like a stealthy thief of the spirit, he entered and plundered my heart of all other attachments. He is the sovereign of Bramapuram, that eternal sanctuary which defied the black cataclysmic waters of the cosmic dissolution, floating while the world sank. He is indeed the great Lord. This verse is from the Thirumurai, specifically the very first hymn sung by the child saint Thirugnanasambandar. After being fed divine milk by Goddess Parvati, the child points out Lord Shiva to his father, describing the deity's attributes and the legendary history of the temple town Sirkazhi.